Hello everyone. Yesterday I explained you how to connect category 6 network cable to classic punch-down jack. Now we will be showing you how to connect category 6 cable to another toolless jack, which is much easier to operate. The tools we need are pliers and scissors. First of all, this is a category 6 network cable. We use network cable pliers to peel off the outer sheaths. We should be very careful not to damage the inner cable when peeling it. Take a turn, then twist it back and force. After stripping the outer sheaths, we can see that there are 4 twisted pairs inside. There is also a white wire here. This white wire is to enhance the tensile strength of the twisted pair. Generally, we will cut it off. You can see there is also a cross frame. Its function is to maintain the relative position of the 4 pairs of twisted pairs to improve the balance characteristics and crosstalk attenuation of the cable, and to ensure that the balance structure of the cable is not damaged during the installation process. We have to cut it. In this case, the network cable part is ready. Next, let's look at the jack part. The jack is generally installed on the panels and sockets. The front end of the jack is an RJ45 interface for connecting jumpers, and there are 8 IDC wiring ports on the rear. We will plug 8 wires into the ports in a while. There are color codes marked A and B on the sides of the jack. A represents wiring in accordance with T56-8A rules, and B represents wiring in accordance with T56-8B rules. First, align the twisted pair with the rear plane of the jack. Here, we follow the rules of T56-8B. Arrange the cords according to the color code. Untwist them at the appropriate positions. Put them into the corresponding IDC port and tighten them. We press on the cables into the ports of the jack one by one and cut off the excess wire. Okay, later connect the card connector to the jack. The jack has an error-proof design to ensure that the card connector will not be connected incorrectly. Then press the covers on the both sides of the jack firmly until it is completely closed. So, connecting category 6 network cable to the toolless jack is completed.